welcome to Family Create. Hope you are all doing well. So today I've received my Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my initial thoughts and doing a quick comparison between my Watch 4 and Watch 5. Those of you who watch my channel regularly will know that I've already done a unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I'll leave the link up there if you want to watch that video, and also do subscribe and put your notification bell on. I'll be doing a review of the watch very soon as well. So let's start unboxing. So here's the box. Looks quite nice. Let's open it. Okay, so let's look at the paperwork first. So we have a quick start guide and warranty card. Check these out later. And on this side we have a USB-C charging dock. Yeah, so here's the watch. Looks very nice. Let's take it out. So this is aluminium build and it's 40 mm, same as my size as my current watch, and the glass is crystal sapphire. So we've got the power button here and the back button here, and at the back here we've got the sensors. It's similar to the Watch 5 Pro, the sensors, and it's IP68 dust and water resistant. Also is 580M. And the strap, I really like this strap. It's really nice, and it's not very thick compared to last year's Watch 4 strap, and I like the color. I think it goes really well, and I went for this one because I have a very small petite hand, and I think this size looks better than the Pro. Okay, it doesn't look very much different from Watch 4, but there are some differences. Like the build, last year's build was stainless steel. I think the glass was Gorilla DX, and Watch 5 is sapphire crystal, which is much more strong and scratch resistant compared to last year's. Just to mention that the display looks much better. I've noticed from the Watch 5 Pro that the crystal sapphire display looks much more outstanding, so that's something to look forward to. In terms of differences, there's a new mic. You can see there's a mic here, but there's none on this one. Also there's a new temperature sensor here. This one doesn't have that. The speakers are in the same place as well on both of them, as you can see with the 5 here, Watch 5, you can see the speakers there. Visually it doesn't look that much, there's not much difference, but once I set it up I'll show you. In terms of weight, they do feel very similar, but in terms of look and feel, it does look really nice. Let's put it on and see. Charcoal grey strap makes it look more nicer, and the fact that it doesn't have the double design on the belt makes this strap looks much more slimmer. So let's set it up and have a look. Let's turn it on. Okay. Welcome. It started. full account information now. So we need to just continue to sign in. Okay, so I've done it's going to take a while, so I've done a setup process on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. If you want to have a look, I'll leave the link up here. So it's all set up. Now the watch is completing its setup and starting up. Okay, take it over your watch. Okay, so let's look at the watch now. Start. So press the home key to go to the watch face from any screen. Okay, so this is the home key, it'll take you back to the watch face. That's it. Okay, so you have all your apps here. And then you can see the bezel here. If you swipe like that all the way around, the app will go up and down. Okay, so it doesn't feel any different from Watch 4 in terms of swiping, using the bezel, notification and so forth. Everything feels the same. Let's check out the watch faces. Let's add. Okay, so there's the options. So these are the different watch faces you can choose from, and of course you can download more. Looks really nice. I like the display. It's definitely much more outstanding and clearer compared to Watch 4. For some reason, to my eye, Watch 4 looks bigger than Watch 5, even though they're both same size, but I think it might be because it's a bit more bulkier compared to this one, including the strap. Let's get a white watch face, because this one is quite dark, and for the screen, for the camera, it just looks a bit dark. Okay, here we go. There we go. It's at full brightness now. Just to quickly show, both on full brightness and clarity wise, I think this one looks much nicer and stands out. Let's put it on. I think it looks much nicer and slimmer on the hand compared to the Watch 4. And also there's a bigger version, 44mm, of this watch. So if you like the bigger, bulkier look, there's a 44mm version. It comes with a bigger battery, and all the specs are identical to last year. This one last year had 247 mAh, and this one this year, Watch 5 has 284 mAh. And according to Samsung, the battery on the Watch 5 should last about 50 hours on one charge, which is 10 hours more than last year's Watch 4. So that's a great bonus, but that's something I'm going to have to test out. Mention this year's charging dock is with the USB-C cable, and according to Samsung it should charge much faster. But also I've noticed that compared to last year's charging dock and this is charging dock, the magnetic connection is much more stronger. If you can hear, it really has a strong pull and it doesn't fall off. If you watch my last video with the Pro, you'll see from last year's charger, if I turn the charging dock like that, the watch would actually fall off, or even if I just left it on the charge and touched it by accident, it'll fall off. So this year's charger is much more stronger. So it has all the health and fitness monitoring apps, like same as the last year's watch, and it's really good. You can monitor yourself in terms of health and fitness. I'll cover some of these useful features on another video, which I use on a daily basis. And also you can do the same, the ECG setup on this one, as I've previously done to the Watch 5 Pro, which I'll leave the link up there if you're interested. So I'm gonna set this up properly with my phone and use it, and when I do the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's review, I'll add some info of this one as well. So just to quickly show the difference between Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, difference in design. This is grey, quite silverish grey, and then we have this is a dark aluminium, both sapphire crystal glass display. Pro is heavier and bigger and bulkier. This one is smaller, lighter, both very nice. Obviously Pro comes with much more larger battery, geared more for outdoor use, and much more tougher. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing, and keep your notification bell on for more upcoming videos. I'll be reviewing both of this watch soon, so watch out for those videos. And once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.